Hey everyone, ever wondered why some computers feel lightning fast while others are painfully slow? A huge part of that comes down to what's inside, an HDD or an SSD. Let's break it down in 60 seconds. Think of an HDD or hard disk drive as an old school record player. It has spinning platters and a moving arm to read your data. This makes them slower, a bit noisy, and more fragile. Drop your laptop and you could be in for a bad time. Now meet the SSD or solid state drive. It's the modern champion. An SSD is basically a giant super-fast USB stick. It uses flash memory chips with zero moving parts. This means it's ridiculously fast, totally silent, much more durable, and uses less battery. So, if you're buying a new computer or upgrading an old one, always go for an SSD. Your PC will boot in seconds, and your apps will load instantly. It's the single best upgrade for a massive speed boost. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.